Association, FBA in Ghana. Your letter to Ibra what? Ibra, you know, so we are chairman, we are boss, we are godfather workmen, but the only Japan and your pet. And you make the Japan, and I suppose Biama, no man, Yama, woman, market, all red market, medical say, because they say a company crana, won't grow for back better. I'm the fisher beneath Rudakam. Coronavirus no board and near to Muntimima. Yes, so I do muno, I say, and in your market Japan, South and Iblemas, yes. You know, say a chairman, the medicine see a down to talk that day. No one drew me up coming home. I've been a mistake. And then because of Rudaka, which I met a sesame cry antino, or eat the coronavirus of Kunam, Alaba, Germany, once I could do Rudakama, or so. Now say, Dwana May and Ja, Ibra was.
Right, Minia, your monk boy. Now, Ibra one on a wine. Ibra what challenge a whole Ascent Central Mashibu Germany.
Ibra one is here tagging us, and this is Anna honorable. I can say NDC.
Oh, okay.
But Ibra one time I'll buy I who buy a timer or chair iPhones. Okay,
yeah,
Trotro, say 2017
yeah,
or shall say so check iPhones. iPhone, I think iPhone 7, iPhone 8.
Oh, Nanya Kolan.
And I said, just say, oh, yeah, one Oscar, yeah, this is all iPhones. Okay,
one of the Virginia,
one of the Virginia, the Muhona, and Kaisa police case be a bear, and no, I can say, on one fake is our police case. Emma, no, done them, no, we shoot need them. HSA, more Hano, Yamibitua Mukani, or ne Becca Musu small issues be, and then I'm one or attacking them one pa, or attacking them one pa.
No, so on attitude for neighbor.
On attitude for neighbor. Just say, or be did a cram, my young Musas Wuska. Young guys no Wuska, even.
Oh, okay. Right,
or GD.
Na yere ntokwa okokan ohwa ntokwa ono so agada bibia ogina so bentua ma eho honorable warnings a
ono o sha se so attack honorable ache attack honorable I think 2 years ago since that time I make us so freaky na you know and I say by say I'm say eche na almost say money laundering is money laundering yeah
and as a proper yeah
and ono asa we ka money laundering no enye ono nkwa na ese target no say o money laundering onye sa na ka o mo money laundering ono bo kan Japan ni obo ojo obi edin soso nti enye nne na o sha say o attack ono bo kan Japan nti say dey esi hu no enye nne kura but menya sure say na ono bo give no e kan say
man
attention nti free that time no mu hona na aba na any say science and same way expose ya only no ho abegim na what you say asem na o ka che wona abo na nkasa no na e hot so na abo bewu man 2 days
I will say I'll kill you and that
o dem am kind there o de buy ya ma wona abo bufu ye no o say Kennedy Japan should come out and say all that I am saying are lies. I am been attacking him for the past 1 week and he has kept quiet. I have all his contact numbers. I even messaged him that before on about decisions and was sending Ibra and so and all releasing in Kakayaka. Was hard to also say KOD warned you but you didn't listen. The matter chop hot. If Ibra be man, make his sleep house tonight. As anybody
there's a big just say Ibra ko ni have a
was it 3 M people and 3 national security people from national security just visited Ibra's property to investigate everything. The matter chop hot. The information I will tell you guys the whole story today and why Ibra is attacking big men. And he wants to see asylum in America.
Okay.
He has sent FBI an email that he will assist them arrest all the Sakawa boys in Ghana after the Hush Puppy case. Hush Puppy no. Yanka Hush Puppy na some.
Hush Puppy is not no big takuna.
The Ibra no ascended a friend saying
email American
FBI say Obamiachi Sakawa boys na wo Ghana and I'm Hush Puppy no Nigerian abia wagidin you're coaching in Dubai.
Yeah.
You're coaching in Dubai because of this money laundering. It's a frost case. Just a scano. Skakesiye pa.
Omo kana se no ano de correct.
Na the thing is wa obedi animu am ya chi nipa bisa no. Wo angasa ne sa amount percentage bi. So what you say? And if Ibra broke dia, and yes I dia me achimo. E chimo sika nyina e bia be mame. Portion bi. So that is
no agenda already ban.
No agenda already ban. We see he then attached an in the email that soon big men are all behind the Sakawa boys and he will expose them to FBI too. He then sent a copy of the email to some big men that if they don't come and sit with him, he will expose them. The matter is deep.
Yeah.
Indeed, no person just say big men no I can Sakawa phone, but me say big men or Sakawa I can Sakawa phone.
Oh yeah.
Maybe na me padi bi. Ti ade no me say nipa no me nka me money ska amana ato abre me. Wa no ka chen so no onim guy bi. Guy no be shopping no easy kra. Very simple, very cheap. Ade anka meto no be 15,000 Ghana cedis no. With me ato no be 3,500 Ghana cedis amame. Enti ba na me suro. Because I said no, I want to say ade a onim say ni buoni na obi kan say dem no go wia ya na asese. Na nipa say do si chire mu say guy no o shopping cars akese ma penifo ni big men omo friend na okwa na shopping o bibia mo ama ne share na cars ne ba big men na yi. Me hu ga na nim da ba say do ono si chire mu no ebi na me ka chire. Nti yes, big men now, Mokra, any at home, so no Mokra, no,
and so Shashad Africa. Is that the reason why Auntie in him so be way pa, but yen Chenoa, just to be a panel, lose God, acquire near maybe another can be.
I think so, because in Penifona, yes, I don't know. And this is a seminar, one canon. A true dear, and yet. Not just honorable Ebia, a bad thing pass obe sorted this case out because obe cheno na fem penifu akesi ebia onim se anka o
na kofi ba so
na fe ba so na fe unhu de onye biem so what you say it was out
but one issue I was here to honorable asoso cases no bebrebe say per the year so no so become one that he's going to face a lot of challenges and a lot of cases are going to come on his way. The best obviously will focus at the dealing with other cases na be our started that no.
And there a problem pa so one about kase all these cases we here you hear boafo bebre. But I know say on national security for your tight because they intimi purchase software ya chena na but a big case because if say 42 say list now they are on 42 Game Boys to deal with them is not easy. Those Game Boys also have boys so I learned book is what on is too much ya bonidia so me say me hu say or a Game Boy aka medical anyway but me dem hu ya allege nti say am pa dia investigation documentation be chere say am pass omo ye Game Boys and as omo ye Game Boys so what you say it was yenko anymore ya kwa no for say o releasing nyina jake apia mo ne even okoro mu nyina din wo so what you say
yeah no so these people no baba expose them in what sense
over so chere say that is the decision na honorable enim sa no ma we nyina nti omo nya ready
Okay.
What just say ha ono ne de no so omunye ready because honorable nimsa no ma we nyina or be embark on this issue. So even honorable bo akwa bi din hello say bisa o am so boni din wo mu say hello no Ibra Koton the car man ne some guy no can say he then said to FBI to give him American passport so he can help them catch the Game Boys. He said if they don't give him citizenship, the big men and some Game Boys will kill him. He's playing smart, but he won't work for it. Won't work for him, but actually he won't work for him. Indeed. Na say we no pay American citizenship so the bear so nya kire say we mu Game Boys na
Uncle can we anaba
can we anaba oko so ati ase ndi say na say ona budi asem we chi a ensem a ebeba no ensem a ebeba
America do ba tin wasom no
as we speak now, Parliament is discussing the issue to get him arrested because he's tarnishing the image of the country.
Yeah.
The secret is Kennedy will deal with the boy. 42 Game Boys are in serious trouble now. They did business with Ibra. There's Ibra on 42 Game Boys in Sana alert. I will send the name that was sent to Kennedy, Japan. Plenty of big boys. They will arrest most of them.
That's all going to big men who crown some mabby scratches. I didn't say, Sasa say ba issue at the Bababec
because the Ama as a amount for target guy no as Sakawa and says scammer and as a an interview here. No, I can't go for target now on Fahom because of the wealth now Onyano. Because ono a one villa, Ibra Villa, Oya Forest Bro. So, ono also was dealing with cars, was a Sifie tone. So, as a normal now, he deserves to have all the wealth now.
Okay.
But still now, people don't trust him. People don't trust his ways. So, the guy to also say, his big brother is not happy now. He's making phone calls. A guy called too much money will also be arrested soon. Also, guy be a friend too much money.
So that is a familiar pa in the minds of many Ghanaians.
He done a lot of money laundering with Ibra. He fucked most of the celebrities as well. And Kennedy will expose him. Ibra no too much money no him say hello guy no. Kennedy Bonidin say hello enya wadwen say o say hello enya wadwen say Ibra nkwana no ho achi no munyina
mo ka ho.
I see the matter there, it be big matter, and we will soon post the list. Ibra is broke now, and he has a lot of issues at the police station, and he wants the other Game Boys to also go down with them. Wey Mama Kai Abusia one
with him, yeah, Abusia one God, yeah.
Abusia one God also by the same thing. So Ojai Sakawa, and so be huna Nkawan Kawashan. I know them here na as a who I am.
But say Kawa, say you be a Sakawa,
and them home there, but me there, oh yes, that's why repenting. That's how no one is showing. As a consequence, I just say karma.
Okay, and then come and offend But yeah, this you made him who say honorable and only grow this guy for the time being here and for the meantime. Now go focus on the oil because I say okoso
say honorable yeah. I say oya no bi a de ne ho ayede
apie
abeje
na wajai ba ko na ho ya na
asa oya no bi de ne ho abeje oya no bi de ne ho abeje ebeye bibre
na fe ya nyanya mini bia wo
o atiase nti se de o kana sanka owie o de nipa no attack na so be attack back ene o de fan to for the meantime na ewie
de o ye no
ni hu se evidence I would buy, you've embarked on the evidence, and then we've seen results on the evidence. Okay. You who say the answer na my be share the film. But se kasa ne
akobase en so bebrebe ya na
ase
na se ensuare
beef nti se mento aso
to aso ayebre no strength ba ya na fasi be na me na
and some the doors was say some few years back he did business with Hello. That is the too much money.
Yeah.
Another fraud guy and few others, and they will be called to national security this week. All those transactions are being traced. Kennedy guy just called me. So what I say, the guy no, and I tell you oh yes sir, it might be the close friend of Ibra, it might be a strong enemy of Ibra.
Yeah.
And I say, Ibra matter will get a lot of boys arrested and jailed. Because Ibra is doing it on purpose. He wants the rest of the Game Boys to go down. He knows he will be arrested, but it won't be just him. Because the Game Boys list, soon to follow some females, are also part of the list.
Okay.
They did money laundering for Ibra, and the money was given to some Game Boys. The matter chop hot. I mean, kind do any Ibra just gave a list to one of Kennedy's WhatsApp number, telling him that if he wants to arrest him for money laundering, he should that is not so he should arrest all these guys, and that he took the money for them. So what I say, I said the boys there, them will catch plenty. Them take the money, chop the female stars. Kennedy just made a phone call to national security. He gave 4 names to them, including Ibra, to arrest him. There's a Kennedy Japan.
I started
with the 4 names. There's a Chiba Kukurana. Na names ni was Ibra and a TMM. And a Hello Noir. Kennedy Boni Dino. And a Terry Hans. Sa 4 way na kwano allegedly. Oka say yedi ama Kennedy Japan say tomorrow they will activate police everywhere. Kennedy is making serious calls now. He is texting big men to try and track him. They tracked his phone and he is out of Accra. He puts his phone on flight mode and then take it off to monitor things. They are tracking him. Say Okoro and Sariki just called Ibra to keep them out of his stupid things. The guy that just called received a phone call to call back and retract his statement. Jackie Appiah, Edin Abem. Jackie Appiah, Edin Abem. Jackie Appiah, your matter come inside. Sana akwana beso che. Jackie Appiah, your matter come inside. But me nim say Jackie Appiah there. And sensem bi say there, then na yedi din efrafra sa. So ona woka se owura sansem we mu dia na ampa dia. Ene ebe long chese ebe ya asem kese pa ebe ya asem a chese ye kura na yintimi nso a osa tro say they have activated all police to close every border. Ibra has sent a long list. His own phone has convo of all the boys he did business with, and I will soon post the list he sent. I can't know. They are tracking him, but he has put his phone back on flight mode. He is driving forward Volta region. But they will catch him. That is Enro na Kenya na. Until you hear updates about Ibrawan ne Kennedy sense ma I got to train some bebre eba. Was all the boys that did business with Ibra 2015 to 2018, your name are now with national security. Tomorrow the intoxicants starts meaning profile was all true. Too much money to $450,000. Too much money took $450,000. Ibra just sent their messages and everything. Hello, also with the inquiry. They will have to go and show source of fund and where the money is coming from. They want to also check with the accounts that took the money in America. Now, money laundering, no. What you be an can of mobility as a what income, what you say.
Money laundering. So because of money laundering, Sikabia would do Mukabiano. if you cross to be this come man for Bruchiliba in dollars call be drew Ghana just ete Ghana dear free my represent tax I would choose Canoso. But almost this fraudness animal almost this kind of and fat through that system. And a money laundering criminal
through that system.
Because a coin of first wire no. Because of money bankers nibi. Some banks need a deal. No, some of them in the banks need a deal. Say bia me 500,000 eba. But to me we through mana sikana ba or that
because I think say even baby a free ba no kra no e hu. Say we as a frauder and I say sakawa. Say broni bia